Are your wheel bearings shot and need to be replaced? Well, in this 2-minute tech tip, I'll be showing you how to remove those wheel bearings using the Tusk bearing remover tool. So we got to get the bearings out. So the first step we're going to do is pop out the seals. That thing shot across the garage. So I'm going to take my blind bearing remover from Tusk and stick that into the bearing. Now you got to be super careful with these guys because there's an inner sleeve that you don't want to catch this puller on. So once you get the puller in there, just kind of pull up on it a little bit and you'll be able to catch it on the bearing and not actually that inner sleeve. And then tighten down on the nuts. Then you just connect the puller to the top of it and then just pull up hard on the slide. And there it is. All right, then here's that inner collar that I was talking about. You can just pull it right out of the hub and then go back and get that second bearing. All right guys, but that's it to removing those wheel bearings on your dirt bike using the Tusk bearing remover tool. You can also use some heat on the hub to help expand the hub if you have any stubborn bearings that just won't come out. If you guys haven't seen my other tech tips, that bearing removal tool can be used for engine bearings, etc. So it has many uses. If you guys need that, link in my description below. But that's all we got for this 2-minute tech tip today. Ride hard, be safe. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.